human intuition real? How much of our decisions do we make based on logic versus gut instinct? I'm increasingly noticing that many of the most remarkable entrepreneurs I speak to say that they make decisions not just based on logic, but based on something within. And so at Mindvalley, one of the things we're doing is developing intuition training by teaching people how to access altered states of mind so that they can tap into their intuition to make better decisions in life. What if, as an entrepreneur or CEO, you could tap into these altered states and use them to make better decisions in life and business? So I'm going to show you what's happening here at Mindvalley University. We've been developing an intuition training program that we're currently running on some 400 people, teaching them how to access altered states of mind through deep meditation and mindfulness, then to tap within to be able to intuitively work to help heal and connect with others. There are some huge implications here for how the world functions. Now, if you are a non-believer, know that that's good, that's healthy. I personally believe that in 10 years, every company will be teaching this to its employees. And in 20 years, this will be taught in school, just like mathematics is taught in school right now. Check out what's going on. So what you're seeing over here are people doing practical exercises in group intuition. These 400 people have just gone through 2 days of training to access deep states and alpha and theta levels of mind and tap into their intuition to be able to, and I want you to have an open mind here, project their awareness across time and space to get inspiration and get intuitive ideas that can help them in life. Inspiration and intuition are two sides of the same coin. And studies are now being done. For example, there was a study done at Newark College of Engineering by Professor John Mihalaski that showed that CEOs who are trained in intuition or who score high on intuitive tests actually have a higher correlation with increased profit growth in their companies. So we are seeing that intuition is one of the most powerful skills right now, but not a lot of people talk about it because it has a bad rap. We want to change that. If I told you the full truth of what we are training these people to do, many people in the world would not believe me. In fact, you'd probably crucify me. But mark my words, 10 years from now, this will be as common in Fortune 500 companies as mindfulness is today. 20 years from now, schools will be teaching this to your kids the way they teach geography and history today.